Hi, in this video I will show you how you can add Gemini to Chrome. If you have already downloaded the recent version, the Gemini is already in your Chrome browser, but if you want the icon to be shown in the top here at the title bar, you just have to right click on it and then click Pin Gemini. And here you will get Gemini in your Chrome browser. Now, when you click on it, it will give you this chat box where you can type and search whatever you want. And if you don't want this to be shown at the top, you can also try this one where you can click these three little dots, go to this options, open Gemini in Chrome, and it will open the same thing. So if you want to remove it, just click and unpin it. So this is how you can add Gemini to your Google Chrome browser.